Welcome back to my channel. This is the Oneal fast fill fuel jug, the 10 litre version in white, even though it's more of a frosted clear. You get when you buy the jug, you get the jug obviously. That's the fast fill nozzle, which when you push it on, pushes in, lets the fuel in till the fuel hits the air spot in the middle and automatically stops the fuel from coming out. Which also has a lock feature to stop accidental spills, and the lid. When it comes in the packaging, the pipe here is just in the jug, it's not in the spot that it's supposed to be. You simply just push that in, and there is also a seal in there. It wasn't in its place when I got it. Just push the seal into place. So I'll put some fuel in it, let's see how it goes. This is an RMZ 250 04 model. My son completely ran it dry yesterday. Let's see how quick we can fill it up. Well, that ain't right, is it? Let's try that again. Try it sitting upright, see if that makes it any better. Still leaking fuel. So far, not impressed. See what it's like on the KX450, which is a 2007 model. Alright, I'll move this out of the way. Let's see how we go now. The fuel opening on this is slightly larger. See if that makes a difference. So far so good. know why it's making that gurgling noise. The air should be going up that piece of pipe. Okay, so it's spat a bit at the end. So that air's supposed to go up that pipe and not have it make that gurgling sound. So the air's coming in from the bottom. Certainly doesn't do what it's supposed to. Didn't like the RM very much. A little bit more successful on the KX. I thought I'd try on the RM again, just in case it was something that I did. Well, that seems to be working a bit better. Oh, nope, it's leaking again. Started leaking again. It seems to leak. There's a sort of a clear insert there. It seems to leak up around the sides of that. I don't know if that's sitting in the proper location. Yep, it's leaking again. Show you what that looks like. Seems to be coming out from between that insert bit and the tank. Comes out from there. Well, I gather, because you can't see it, because that's in the way. That is supposed to seal against there and stop it from leaking fuel all over the place. Alright. Starting to leak again. Yep. Not even full enough to touch the fuel level. So far it doesn't work with RMs. Even though that looked like it was full then, it's not. I'll try and lift it up so I'm not pushing straight on top of the tank, see if that makes any difference. Nah, straight out straight away. So how far down the fuel is. It's not up to that plastic sleeve yet, however it's coming out the top. This is a Raptor 700R 2020. With the fuel tank on this, there was this little black collar that was sitting down inside there. Looks like that. Which only lets that much of the fuel jug in. So, as you could imagine, that would be worse than the RM. It would absolutely make a mess. So to get that out, I've got a little screwdriver and I slip that down next to it like that, just to open it up a little bit. So I get the bigger screwdriver, get that down more, get it right down underneath it, and I flipped it up and out. But if for some reason you do lose it down inside your fuel tank and you want to get it out, underneath the plastic there is the fuel pump. Take the fuel pump out, reach down and pull it out through there. It's a hole about that big. So you should have no trouble getting that out if you need to. So let's see how this goes. Not going down as fast as they claim. Was just not making a mess so far like the RM did. Nowhere near as fast as what they claim. Okay, now it's full. So My opinion would be probably stick with a jerry can and a funnel. Nowhere near as good as they claim it is. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.